Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Tim Gagan, and I'm a lawyer in Quebec. What you're going to be watching today is for legal information purpose only. It does not constitute a legal advice. If you have a real case, if you need a real legal advice, please contact your lawyer. If you need more information, here are several useful links. If you need a lawyer and you don't have a lawyer, please contact the Law Society of Quebec, Barreau de Quebec, and they will help you to find one. What is small claims court, and why are we talking about it when we speak of latent defects? Well, because very often the amount of a problem is less than 15,000, and what's less than 15,000 goes under the jurisdiction of the small claims court, where you don't need, and actually you should not, hire a lawyer to go to. There is a judge who would listen to both sides, see your proof, the other party's proof, ask questions, look after a good procedure, and then decide on, most probably on the spot. And it's really advisable to think of that again. Yes, you can go to see a lawyer, you can get all the explanations, you can remember some parts of this video, but do remember that if you have a real situation, by the way, what I have explained here is not enough. You will really need to contact a lawyer to explain your particular facts. It's just maybe this video would help you to collect facts and to collect documents and prepare and to get a better consultation. But still, you can go to a lawyer, you can prepare documents on your own, but do remember that if you can squeeze your claim into the amount under 15,000, then you're eligible to go to small claims court, to the small claims court, and you will economize on a lawyer. Though, again, if you think that the problem is potentially much bigger than that, and you settle the case in the small claims court or outside of the court for 15,000 or lower, and then later it will appear that it's something like 100,000, 150,000, and you should have gone to Superior Court of Quebec, that won't be a good situation. So don't rush, of course, evaluate your options, but remember about the small claims court. And to continue that note, when you think that you want to sue somebody for $2,000, $3,000, and you want to go to court and you want to go to see a lawyer, do remember that, well, that's the reality, that maybe the cost of all the legal proceedings you are going to use, this cost might be more than the cost of your problem, and most probably the other party will not compensate you for whatever you have paid to your lawyer. So, well, negotiate. And that's also true for the other party, that if you go to the court, the other party goes to the court, both parties spend money, have expenses, maybe it's a better idea to negotiate here and now. And maybe of course, if you really know what's the extent of a problem, if you do not expect it to become suddenly bigger, maybe it would be a good idea to settle even for a lower amount of money, taking into account that you economize on legal proceedings by that. So be calculative is a good idea when you decide whether you should go for negotiation or not. So, to wrap it up, if ever, God forbid, of course, and I hope you won't be in such a situation, but if ever you are a seller who is attacked by a buyer, or a buyer who is claiming something from his seller, her seller, then you might be interested in maybe reading Article 1726 of the Civil Code of Quebec and following, Article 2098 of the Civil Code of Quebec and following, Article 536 of the Code of Civil Procedures about the Small Claims Court. And you can see here two court decisions which I believe describe the rules when it comes to latent defects very concisely and very clearly, though in French. And the book also in French, but a very good book, Van Leuage, Contrat d'entreprise de service, de Jacques Delaurier. It's very much recommended if you are interested to obtain further knowledge on the point. But again, if you are not a lawyer yourself, and if you think that your case justifies the expenses for a lawyer, don't limit yourself to the information you've got here. Go to see a lawyer and explain your particular situation. Very much possible that everything that I mentioned as gray area would be working in your favor or otherwise, and it's better to know that before you do anything, before you lose some opportunity. So go see a lawyer for sure. Well, that would be the end of story for today. Thank you for listening. I do hope that something was useful, and we'll see you next time. Have a nice day, I suppose.